Suizhou in China's Hubei province is a major base for manufacturing special-purpose vehicles, known for a high concentration of companies that produce a wide range of modified automobiles. The city has been officially designated as the capital of special-purpose vehicles in China. Products and applications. Companies within the Suizhou base produce special vehicles for a wide range of industries and applications, including sanitation, garbage trucks, sewage suction trucks, and street sweepers, construction, dump trucks, cement mixers, and crane trucks, logistics, flatbed trucks, refrigerated trucks, and various trailers, fire and rescue, fire engines, and aerial work platform trucks, energy, fuel tank trucks, LPG tank trucks, and high-pressure clean vehicles. If your company has been looking for these kind of vehicles, products, you can straightforwardly contact me. I can show you in Suizhou, in the different factories. You will find the best producer and manufacturer here with the best offer and, of course, the top quality. You can directly approach me. I'm going to show you here, show you every factory, every manufacturer here. You can compare with them specifically, and then you will get the best supplier here. Of course, my English name is Jack. You can pin me directly from now on. Welcome to Suizhou. Welcome. You are welcome to earn money here in Suizhou. Let's meet in Suizhou, everyone.